Hi everybody, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin, and today we're in for a treat. We have Corey with SkinCeuticals education team here to talk to us about SkinCeuticals' newest product innovation. Corey, what'd you bring today?
Well, I am so excited. This is a product that I have been just wishing for from SkinCeuticals, and it's the newest member of the Phyto family. So Phyto Corrective Gel, our newest launch Phyto A+ brightening treatment, which absolutely love that. And here it is.
Ooh.
This is our Phyto Corrective Essence Mist. And it's good for all skin types, especially like blemish prone, red, even dehydrated, but anyone can benefit from this wonderful formula. And again, I love that it's touchless, so you can get that boost of hydration. You can really help to support and strengthen your skin barrier any time of day.
So can you tell us a little bit about the clinical studies behind it and what it does to improve the skin?
Yeah, definitely. So this is going to help, again, to regulate that barrier function, which we know a healthy skin barrier equals happy skin, right? We need to support that skin barrier, draw and retain moisture. And it's going to do that with a combination or a blend of 6.2% glycerin and hyaluronic acid. We love those two ingredients together, so we're going to get that retaining hydration, drawing in that moisture, really in a lightweight formula, right? That's important. We don't want to feel heavy when we're misting this wonderful essence on our skin. In addition to that, there is also a 5.75 Phyto Botanical Blend. So that's what's really going to make this a soothing and calming formula.
It sounds so refreshing, and I'm really excited to try it. So can we try it now?
Yeah, we have to cheers before we do that.
Okay, cheers.
All right.
Here we go.
All right, let's do it.
Give it a little shake.
Give it a little shake, and about 6 inches, I'm going to hold it
Okay.
6 inches away from my face, and we're just going to go ahead and drench our skin. Oh,
Oh, I can definitely smell that very familiar botanical blend.
The Phyto Botanical
yes,
Blend.
all of the amazing ingredients that you pointed out there.
yeah. And we actually have some amazing clinicals with this formula. It immediately hydrates the skin up to 69% and reduces visible redness by up to 31%.
Well, Corey, thank you so much for coming all this way and bringing this brand new product with you to show us today. And everybody, SkinCeuticals Phyto Corrective Essence Mist will be available for pre-order on lovelyskin.com starting August 30th. So get your order in right away so that way yours ships out first. And actual launch date and ship date is September 6th.
Yes,
so if
coming
you
up.
order August 30th, we'll get your order first out the door on September 6th. Thank you again, Corey. I really appreciate it.
This was so fun.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.